now I'm going to talk about the costs of printing a photo book. Photography is one of those areas where you can be spending a whole lot of money or be spending a little bit of money, especially in the age of digital photography, it becoming so broad what you can do with photography. If you want to go into printing a photo book, we could be ranging from thousands upon thousands of dollars to hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. If you want to go through the professional route of printing a photo book, giving it to a professional printer, having them bind it, that's where it's going to become, the money is going to be racking up into an area. I know thousands upon thousands, but I could not estimate exactly where, because there's much easier ways to do it. If you want to be working on it at home and doing it yourself, which is always a good idea so you can become a more personal area for you, what you could do is when you go to the store, if you want to just purchase, any art supply store or photography store usually have photo books that you can use. Some looking more professional, they can get up to about $50 sometimes. I haven't really seen anything more than that. Or sometimes little as like $12, depending on how you want to personalize your situation. And you can buy one of those, of course, to hold the photos for you. And then hopefully at this point you've already had the camera. That's a cost that I'm not going to get into right now. And then with printing, if you don't have a printer at home, a lot of photography places nowadays have printers that you can use there. They have editing systems that you can pay to use, and you pay by the hour sometimes, or you pay by the print. Around $10 to print a photo if you want to make it look good. Also, if you're taking a photography class, if you want to go ahead and do that, you pay for the photography class, and you usually get full use of the lab and the printing areas there. And that's really about $10 for you also. It's a very good way to go about things. If you're going to go the way of actually buying a printer for yourself and you want to print a nice photo book, you're going to want to go above like $600, $700 on your printer and really look for something that fits you. You might be spending something in the thousands there. And then it's pretty easy at that point. Once you have the printer or have the area you're going to print in, you buy the photo paper. If you go into a photo store, it's usually about $25 for a pack of like maybe 25 photo sheets. And even that's the really nice stuff. And that way you can go ahead and print your pictures out and put them on a photo book, and it can be something really wonderful and personal for you.